Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
In the city of the prophet's light, a star arose so calm, so bright. From Fatima's blessed lineage, a guide of truth, of knowledge, of courage. Al-Baqir shining so clear, ocean of knowledge always near. You taught the world the Quran's way, guiding our nights, lighting our He sat with scholars young and old, his wisdom gentle yet so bold. He spoke of faith, of right and wrong, of justice firm, of patience strong. Ya Baqir shining so clear, ocean of knowledge always near. You taught the world the Quran's way, guiding our nights, lighting our From you came students, stars of light, who carry truth through darkest night. Imam Al-Sadiq learned at your side, a legacy no time can hide. Ya Baqir leader so wise, we see the world through your pure eyes. Teach us to think, to pray, to be